In the construction industry, managing complexity isn't optional, it's necessary. With projects involving hundreds of moving parts, from subcontractors and equipment to RFIs, payroll, and compliance, the need for an all in one system has never been greater. That's where CMIC comes in. CMIC is an enterprise grade construction management platform built specifically for the unique needs of the construction sector. Unlike generic project management tools that try to adapt to construction workflows, CMIC was developed with construction in mind, from job costing and payroll to project tracking and field reporting. It integrates every department in your company. So, project managers, accountants, engineers, and superintendents are all working from a single source of truth. In this video, we'll guide you through the fundamentals of CMIC, explore its powerful features that make it stand out, and explain why it's a smart long-term solution for firms looking to scale while improving efficiency, accuracy, and collaboration. So for its key features and benefits, first is the Unified Project Management Dashboard. CMIC provides a centralized dashboard that connects all your project details from budgets, tasks, schedules, and RFIs to daily reports and change orders. Everything is accessible in real time and linked directly to specific jobs or phases, allowing for streamlined project oversight. This eliminates the need to toggle between platforms or dig through outdated spreadsheets. You get live project insights that reduce errors, prevent duplication, and keep everyone aligned, from project engineers to the C-suite. Another key feature is the full financial integration and job cost control. One of CMIC's strongest capabilities is its native financial module. It offers deep integration between project costs and accounting. You can manage contracts, budgets, vendor invoices, and change orders while automatically updating your general ledger and job cost reports. You maintain real-time financial visibility across projects, helping you catch cost overruns early, improve forecast accuracy, and streamline reconciliation. This tight control over project finances supports better decision making and protects profit margins. Another key feature is the mobile field management with offline access. CMIC Field allows crews and superintendents to submit daily logs, photos, punch items, and timesheets straight from the job site. No need for paper logs or waiting until they return to the office. Even without internet, work continues and data syncs once reconnected. You ensure field updates are always timely and accurate. The office gains instant insight into progress and issues, improving coordination and reducing delays caused by communication gaps. Another key feature is the document and workflow control. With CMIC's document management and workflow engine, users can upload and track RFIs, submittals, drawings, and revision sets, all with version control, timestamps, and role-based permissions. Workflows automate the routing, review, and approval processes. You eliminate bottlenecks and reduce the chance of someone working off outdated documents. This not only increases accountability, but also keeps your firm audit ready and compliant with industry standards. Another key feature is the HR and labor management integration. CMIC's Human Capital Management module lets you onboard staff, assign them to jobs, payroll, process payroll, and track certifications or union compliance, all from the same system. You reduce errors and time spent on payroll while improving visibility into labor costs by project. It also ensures compliance with labor laws, union rules, and insurance audits, all while streamlining HR processes. So why is CMIC a great choice? What truly separates CMIC from other construction platforms is its single database architecture. This means all department field, accounting, HR, and executives operate off one platform, with no need for third party integrations or data syncing. Everyone sees the same information at the same time. In 2025, CMIC has continued to expand its capabilities, offering a modern user interface, more intuitive reporting tools, mobile friendly enhancements, and tighter integrations with Microsoft 365, ProEst, and third party cloud storage. It's a great fit for mid-size and enterprise construction firms that manage multiple job sites and want to minimize tech fragmentation. So basically, CMIC is more than just a construction management tool. It's a unified operations platform that helps your team move faster, reduce risk, and stay financially on track. From scheduling subcontractors and tracking costs to processing payroll and responding to RFIs, CMIC handles the day to day and long term demands of construction with precision. For firms looking to upgrade from disconnected spreadsheets or aging legacy systems, CMIC offers a compelling, future ready solution. So if you're ready to consolidate your construction tech stack and gain total control over projects, people, and profitability, CMIC is a platform worth implementing. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.